this video, we will show you how to fix an error code 1 in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. In the left menu, go to Setup Download. Right-click on the controller and select Start Smart Download. If you receive the message, Controller Internal Error, error code is 1, follow these steps. In the left menu, go to Controller, select the controller, and under the Basic Parameter section, update the controller model to the correct one. In this case, it's currently set to Vsaxess 4DLX, but if you check the sticker on the PCB board of the controller, you'll see that the correct model is Vsaxess 4ETL2. Update it to that model. Next, set the door quantity to 4 and change the IP address to match the correct network segment. Click Save and then OK. Go back to the left menu, click on Setup Download, right-click on the controller, and select Start Smart Download. Wait until the process completes and you see the message Smart Download has completed.